Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here with a symbol. It is called a Kabbalah symbol. I will give you some information on this symbol in some time, but before that, please go ahead and like and share my YouTube channel as well as subscribe it. I am also on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there. It would be really good for me if you could go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. Just gives me an encouragement to go ahead and do more videos. So it's a request to go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my page on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So let's start quickly about the symbol. Now, what is this symbol? This symbol is called Kabbalah symbol. Now, Kabbalah group existed before Christianity. So there are some very important symbols that they used to manifest or for healing. But there are three symbols that are very important in Kabbalah, and I am going to let you know about one symbol that is called Len Somai. So that is a symbol that is called Len Somai, and this symbol is very useful in healing the relationship, bringing someone you love closer to you, or you can say mend the relationship that is broken, or attract a relationship. So basically this symbol is for attracting relationship, healing relationship, getting that bond that is broken between two people. You can use this symbol. So this is the symbol that you see on the screen right now. I am going to go ahead and show you how to draw the symbol. But before that, I would like you to also know how to use the symbol. Okay, this symbol can be written, and you can chant the name of the symbol, that is Len Somai. You can draw the symbol and keep it in your wallet for healing relationship. You can even do a ritual with this symbol, maybe light a candle and draw the symbol and put the pictures of two people whom you need to bond on a paper, and give energy. If you know Reiki very well, you can give Reiki energy to it, and it is going to work wonderful. Also, this is the reflection, and you can say Om together give the symbol Len Somai. So it's a very powerful symbol that you can use to attract relationship to you. So now, without wasting any more time, I will show you how to draw this symbol. But the purpose of the symbol is mainly to mend relationship, bring someone who's gone away far from you, whom you love, closer to you, heal. You can say heal a relationship. If someone is like fighting a lot or arguing a lot, then you can use this symbol for the two people and make them come closer to each other. If you are waiting for a relationship, or if you are waiting for someone to come to you, you can use this symbol to attract a relationship or attract love towards you. This symbol can be used. You can charge your water on it if you want. You can put it in the wallet, draw and put it in the wallet, and see it every day and say Len Somai, Len Somai, Len Somai. And what intention you have, you put that intention and say Len Somai. It is going to work for you. So anyways, whatever you feel comfortable, even you can write it, fold the paper and put it under your pillow at night for it to manifest, but it's better you see it and at least like few times say Len Somai. And if you know Reiki, then it is a very good thing. You just draw a Len Somai and then give Reiki energy to it with your intention. It works wonders. So now let's go ahead and see how to draw the symbol, and how you can mend your relationship by drawing the symbol and putting photos or the pictures of the two persons together and work on it. So let's go ahead and see it. So now I will show you how to draw the symbol and how you can use the symbol in different ways. So basically what you have to do is, the symbol's name is Len Somai, and I'm going to go ahead and start drawing the symbol. Okay, so basically the symbol is a 8. It's a straight 8. Okay, and then it's a sleeping 8. So basically it is like this, a sleeping aid. So this is the symbol. So if you got it right, it goes like that, and you make a 8. It's like an infinity, and then you make a sleeping aid. Very simple. Okay, and this is A, and this is B. So now what do you do with the A and the B? Very simple. The two people whom you want to bond, one picture goes here and one picture goes here. This is one way you can do the healing for both the people, you know, whoever is. So now this is just not for love relationship. It is between a mother, father. It is between you know, granddaughter and grandfather, or maybe father and daughter, mother and daughter. Any relationship, you can say, you can mend it with this symbol. So this symbol, if you don't want to do with the picture, that is perfectly okay. You can write the name of the two person, like one name here and the other person's name here. So it can be a mother and a daughter, it can be a father and a son. Any relationship you need to mend, you need to write down the name. Okay, you can fold this and put it below your pillow if you want to. Put your intention and say Lenzomai, 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 heal the two relationship, you know, between these two people. And you can even charge your water and let the people whom the relationship needs to be bond drink that water, so it will energize with this Lenzomai symbol. So it depends on how you feel you need to use it, but this is a very, very powerful symbol. So use it for right intentions and not wrong intentions. Make sure that whatever relationship you are trying to pull or bond is basically okay with both the people. You cannot force a relationship, a love relationship or any kind of relationship, if the other person doesn't willingly want to. So yes, but there is a lot of misunderstanding that happens between relationship that we need to mend, and we need to correct it. So for that, the symbol is very, very good and very, very powerful. If you know a person whom you even is like, you know, have some feelings for you, but he is not able to say, or she is not able to say, you can use this symbol, and they will be able to speak up about their feelings, or, you know, come close to you. So that way you can use this symbol. And like I told you, the symbol name is Lenzomai, a very powerful symbol, and it has Om energy to it too, vibrations to it too. So use the symbol and heal your relationship. Also, like I always tell you, stay blessed, stay safe, and love you all. Yes, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.